In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom and crop your webcam for free using OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio and take a quick look at the layout. At the bottom, you'll see the sources box. That's where you add anything you want to appear on screen. To bring your webcam in, click the plus icon in the sources box and choose Video Capture Device. This tells OBS you're adding a camera feed. A properties window will pop up so you can select your camera. Use the device dropdown to pick the webcam you want. You should see a live preview right away. If the preview is blank, make sure your camera isn't being used by another app, then return to this window and confirm the correct device is selected. Once the camera is visible, confirm the settings to place it on your canvas. Now let's crop. Hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option on a Mac. While holding it, hover over the red bounding box around your camera source. Click and drag any of the side, top, or bottom handles inward to trim away the edges you don't want. This is perfect for removing empty background space or tightening the frame around your face. As soon as you start cropping, the border turns green, which is OBS's way of showing that a crop is active. If you crop too much, keep holding Alt or Option and drag the handle back out to reveal more of the image. Release the Alt or Option key, then use the corner handles to resize the camera. Dragging from a corner keeps the aspect ratio intact so your image doesn't look stretched. You'll likely see black space on the canvas around your camera. To create a clean zoom, keep resizing until your camera source covers that black background. This doesn't change your actual camera resolution. It simply scales the visible cropped portion so it looks zoomed in. With the size set, click and drag the image itself to position it. Aim to center your face so your eyes sit roughly along the top third of the frame. If you need a minor tweak, nudge the image gently until it feels balanced. Remember, the crop is non-destructive, so you can always hold Alt or Option again to adjust the edges, then resize to fine-tune the zoom. That's it. You opened OBS, added your webcam as a video capture device, cropped it with Alt or Option, resized it to fill the frame for a natural zoom, and positioned it so your face is centered. This simple setup gives you a polished close-up look without any paid plugins or extra software.